Hello everyone, and welcome to Mr. Simplifies tutorials. In this tutorial we're going to look at Anthony's framework for managerial activities, also used in the study of management information systems. Now, what is Anthony's framework? Now, Anthony's framework is a tool used to understand how decisions are made in an organization. Now, management information systems, or MIS, play a key role in facilitating information to aid decision making. This framework can therefore be used to understand the need for MIS and how it's actually used in an organization. Now, Robert Anthony fundamentally believed organizations as a hierarchy of decision-making levels. He demonstrated decision-making in a triangular form, often referred to as Anthony's triangle. Now, what is this triangular structure of information as per Anthony? Now, the framework views decision-making in such a way that there are many operational decisions at the bottom level of the triangle, some tactical decisions in the mid-level, and few but very important strategic decisions at the highest level of the triangle. Okay, the higher in the triangle an item is, the more scope it covers in the organization and the less precise it becomes on an individual level. So decisions at the top management level are broad, strategically critical, and are seldom very specific. Now, as items move down, they become more detailed and apply more precisely to people and processes. Okay, now the management process consists of these distinct levels as proposed by Anthony. Now, the level at the top is the strategic planning level. The level in the middle is the managerial control level, and the level at the bottom is the operational control level. Now, let's look at strategic planning. Now, this is the level that deals with the goals and objectives of the entire organization. It specifically focuses on changes in organizational objectives, the resources required to fulfill objectives at a broad level, the policies that will aid achievement of the objectives, and the use and disposal of resources to attain these objectives. So at that level, this is a lot to do with what the organization actually wants. What are the objectives? Why are they actually trading? In brief. So this is the most important role hierarchy in any organization. The decisions taken here will have far-reaching impact on the organization. This is a level which sets the direction in which the organization will head. This level is usually held by a small number of people at the top of the organization, and the challenge they often face is predicting the direction in which the organization is headed and the external environment it operates in. So those are the sort of challenges that they at the top face. Now, managerial control is the middle level. This level ensures that the resources required to attain organizational objectives are acquired and used efficiently and effectively. Okay, this is the level wherein mid-managers operate. This is at this level, managers take guidance from the strategic planning level and control the activities in the organization to ultimately achieve the organizational objectives set out at the highest level. The impact from this level is sort of medium term. Okay, so this level effectively focuses on interpersonal interaction or man management, operating within the thresholds of the policies set at the highest levels, and quality assurance and balancing efficiency and effectiveness again. Okay, now the level at the bottom is operational control. Now, the mandate in this level is to carry out specific tasks with a view to follow the directives set by the higher level. So the directives are set at the middle level, the managerial control level, and the tasks are actually performed in the operational control level. It's also important to take efficiency and effectiveness into account here. The decisions made at this level have very limited scope and very little impact on the overall organization. While management control is concerned with people, operational control is actually concerned with the actual tasks at hand that need to be completed. The nature of tasks here can be repetitive, as there will be specific goals and resources at play here. So specific tasks will be provided and specific outcomes will be expected from people operating at this level. Now, where is this framework actually used? How do we use this framework? As we've seen, this framework actually offers a hierarchical view of decision making and information needs. Okay, and management information systems therefore can view this to classify and categorize the information that's already available, and can ensure that the right level of information is available to the specific levels of personnel that operate at different levels for optimal decision making and task management. Okay, so that's why this is used. This framework is actually used in terms of management information systems, in terms of studying management information systems, and in terms of understanding how management information systems can be used in organizations. Okay, so that was an explanation on Anthony's framework. I hope the video was useful for you. I thank you very much for your attendance, and as always, support this video by spreading the word, like this content, subscribe, and also please take a look at my new Facebook page. Thanks very much. Bye bye.